everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you out there that do not know me, my name is Alicia and I help DIY engaged couples and individuals create a budget-friendly event, give you guys some resources, some tips on how to save the most money on your wedding or event, how to come up with different ideas, just anything event and wedding related. I try to be of a resource to you. So today's video, I am showing you how I decorated my kitchen for Thanksgiving, and all the items that you see in this video are either discounted, meaning I got it from on a clearance, handmade, or I use some tips and tricks and some other resources that you all probably would have never thought about to create, to add to the decor. But I'll talk more about that when I get to it. But for now, we're gonna start at my kitchen table. I got this turkey here from Walmart a couple years ago, and I think I paid like $4 for this. These leaves with the lights, I got these from CVS a couple years ago. I think they were like 90% off. These placemats I got from Dollar Tree a few years ago for $1 a piece. So that's my kitchen table, and a setting like this makes the environment so warming and welcoming and brings the holiday really together. And this is something that your guests will really enjoy, the time that you put into decorating for the season. So don't just let your holiday be plain without any decoration. Make sure you take the extra time to get inexpensive decorations or make some stuff just to bring in the environment even more. And then underneath here, this little thing is a bunch of leaves. There's a dolly of leaves, and I got this too, also on clearance as well. So next we're going to move over to this. Now this right here is a card. This picture right here is a card. So no, I did not make it. Oh gosh, I got a fingerprint on it. I gotta get it after. So that is a card that I just picked up at the card station at I forget where I got it from. I think I got it from Target. So that's where I got it from. And then a frame, I got that from Dollar Tree. But as you see, it just goes in well. It doesn't even look like a card. It looks like something I honestly made on a computer, or just, you know, was very crafty and made it. But nope, I just paid for the card and then the frame, and voila, that's what I got. Next, I got this gather sign, I guess you want to call it that, on clearance, I think from CVS last year. But this is like my first year really putting it up, because like I said, I got it last year at the end of the season. So this is my first year really using this, and I'm excited. It goes well with the decor, and I can't wait to use it in years to come and do different things around it. But for now, I just have it on the windowsill along with the card, and it's just, you know, again, brings the environment together, and I can't wait for Thanksgiving. Next, I made this thankful, grateful, blessed out of a placemat, and I will make sure to link the video below for the placemat and for the card, so you all can really kind of see how I put it together. But as you see, this as well just goes great. It doesn't look like a placemat. It looks like a picture that I purchased somewhere, but nope, it's a placemat that I got from Dollar Tree. Now these corns, I don't know the proper name for them, but I just call them the corn, my fall corn, and I absolutely love it. That's like the first thing I go to when I start decorating for Thanksgiving is my corn. I had my corn for a while now, so I love my corn. And again, I got my corn on clearance, as well as this charger plate, again on clearance, and this is just the print on there, so it just goes well together. And I just have it in the corner. And then I had this isn't part of it. I always have this up all year round, but it just goes really, really well with the decor. And then I have a picture that my daughter made last year, my youngest daughter made last year. And I'm that type of mom that puts up my kids' artwork. I save it. It's a keepsake item. And this is one of the decorations that she made last year. So obviously I had to put it up. It goes well with the decor. This right here is something brand new I got this year. And it is a cutting board. Yes, this is a cutting board. This is not a picture that I bought. It is glass. As you see, I need to clean it better than I did, but this is a cutting board that I purchased from the Christmas tree shop. And if you're not familiar with the Christmas tree shop, then you should have heard of a store called And That. Again, And That. That is the Christmas tree. That's the Christmas tree shop's sister store. But this is a cutting board, and I have also a tray that matches that too, but I'm not going to use that in my decor. I'm just going to use that on actual Thanksgiving to put like desserts on or something. So that's that. But yep, this is a cutting board, and I just have it on one of these clear stands. And same here, I just have it on a clear stand, but it looks great. It's that pop of color for the holiday season. It's that pop of color just in my kitchen. That's the eye-catching piece, and that's what you want. You want people to not know what your items are off the bat. And even if they are able to tell, so what, but off the bat, you don't want them to really know what it is that you have going on. And again, this is like my pop of color, like you saw before. I have like a more orange and gold in my design. And so when people come in, this is automatically going to catch their eye, but a lot of them will not be able to tell that it's a cutting board. And last but not least, I have my oldest daughter's handcraft that she made at daycare for the holiday season. She made that back in 2017, and I just have it in one of these terrain, I think they're called. Like, they use them a lot in like the event industry, and you can hang like fish line up here and do like different cool stuff with it. But for just this season here, I did this as well, but you'll also see that in the video below for the placemats. So make sure that you check that out. But again, this is like my fall kitchen. It's decorated but simple. I'm still able to work and cook and do stuff in my kitchen. But as you see, that cutting board really is like that pop of color that this kitchen needs, because as you see, the appliance is black, my chairs are black, but it really is that pop of color. It is that eye-catching piece. If you like this video, make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of these type of videos on how you can spruce up your home for the holidays, or just spruce up your home in general, or spruce up your wedding or event, then you definitely need to stay with me, because I have a lot more videos coming up soon. Make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Hit that notification bell. And until next time.